Hi everyone, we are back with one more exciting question where we have to find area of this large circle. I hope you have read the question, so let us begin. Now over here we have been given area of small circle, so I can say that I can find radius of small circle. Okay, radius of small circle will be 105 over pi and square rooted. It will be a bit unusual value, so we will find it in the end. But let us use it as r in the question for now. So this is R and this is capital R that we are trying to find. If we can get R, capital R, then our work will be done. Now here we have to use trigonometry because this is an equilateral triangle and because of the symmetry, this will be 30 degree. Overall angle in an equilateral triangle is 60, so half of that will be 30. Using trigonometry, I can say that sine 30 is equal to r over r, and that will give me the value of r as r over sine 30. Sine 30 is half, so effectively it will be r over 1 by 2, and that will give me 2r. So from here I got r is equal to 2r. I can just square on both sides. That will give me r square is equal to 4r square. Interestingly, r square value is there with us, so we may not have to solve using calculator. We can use it as it is. So I'll just use r square over here. So my value of capital R square is 4 times 105 over pi. Let it be like this. Area of big circle will be pi r square, and pi times 4 times 105 over pi. Pi cancels and it will be 4 times 105, that is 420 meter squared. So this was the easiest approach to solve this question. If you have any other approach, you can definitely put that in comments. I will be more than happy to know if there is anything easier than this available. So see you in the next video.